Hi everyone. So in this video, let us look at a simple demo where we will create a sub agent which is a README documentation expert. And as you know, like we don't have very much updated README file. Let's make a use of the sub agent that we will create to update this README file for our project. So as we saw, let me start the Copilot session. Currently, as we have only one custom instruction and two MCP servers, one is for the Sentry and another is for our GitHub Copilot, which is already predefined, and there is no sub agent as of now. So let us create a sub agent. So we can do that by using /agent command. Then we have option to create a new agent, and then as we saw, one is the project scope and another one is the user scope. So for this, let us create a project scoped sub agent. So it will be created inside our .github folder. Inside that, agents directory will be created, and inside that we will create this sub agent. Now for creating this agent, like the instructions that we want to give and the description about the sub agent that we want to give, either we can use the Copilot or we can add all such instructions manually. So for this demo we will use the Copilot for doing so. And here basically we have to give the instructions, instructions and description about the sub agent, like what it should do and when it should be used. So over here I will give the description like this is documentation expert which will be used to create and update a readme.md file describing about the project structure, tech stack, and running the project manually, running the project locally. And now using the Copilot, it will create inside the GitHub, there will be agents directory that will be created, and inside that all these agent instructions will go for our README expert agent, sub agent. It will take some time to add all the description with the Copilot. Once this like the description, the agent profile will be created, we will also have an option to review it if we want to manually update some things, that option also we have over here. Otherwise we can just create it as it is. As you can see, it created the agent with the name readme generator, and it has added some 4000 characters of instructions. So either we can continue directly, or if we want we can review the content as well. Let's continue as of now, and here it will ask like what for what tools we need to give the access to the sub agent. Either we can select all tools, or we can also select some specific tools to restrict the access of this sub agent. For now, let's choose all tools. And as you can see, the sub agent got created in this dot agent, this subdirectory agents. Inside that, the file readme generator dot agent dot md will be created. So if we go back to our project, this is the file that got generated, and this is the description and all the instructions, like how we want to document our readme file. This is about all that, which got this agent profile got created using the Copilot. Now we have to create a new agent session so that this sub agent will get effect. Let me start a new Copilot session. And as you can see, like you can verify this with the environment loaded that it shows over here. Now you can also see one agent. And now let's go to /agent, and it will show us our all the available agents over here. First is the default agent, which is the main agent, and now this is the readme generator, which is our sub agent. So now there are two options. Like either we can use this directly, select this sub agent and then give the prompt which will go specifically to this readme generator. Otherwise, second option, as we saw, is by the inference. So I will deselect the current agent, choose the default agent, and then give it a prompt something like create or let's say update readme file for our current project. And now what GitHub Copilot will do is basically it will infer from this description of the sub agent that it needs to use your readme generator sub agent. And as you can see, it started offloaded that task to your sub agent, which is readme generator. And now the current once the readme generator sub agent will finish processing its task, it will give back the control to our main agent, and then basically our readme.md will be updated. So it is currently running. It will get all the context, like we want to update the tech stack, update the local run instructions, everything. So it will get the context and then update the readme accordingly. As you can see, it completed the update to update our readme file. And if you go back to the project, and this is how it has created the readme file, so much in details with multiple sections, the description, then there is a tech stack, project structure, prerequisites, how to run it local on your local machine, how you can contribute, and the licenses. So this is how you can basically spawn the sub agents, create and spawn sub agents to achieve your end goals. And this is all about the custom agent customization inside our GitHub Copilot CLI.